It's time. Hi neighbors. I'm back from the dead. It has been a very long time, but I am incredibly excited to say hello and show you that I got some brand new things. And this is the last video that I will be filming for this channel on my iPhone, because I went and ordered probably my biggest purchase as a content creator so far. I ordered a new camera, and we're gonna go through it. If you've never been here before, my name is Ryan. I'm part of Hippie Witch Heart. We are your friendly neighborhood Hippie Witches. Welcome to the garden. We are excited to have you in here as I do yet another unboxing video. If you follow us on Instagram or have seen any of our other videos, especially from Vlogmas, you know that I love Katie Steckley and I love Catherine Manning. And Catherine posted a video with Nikon when the new content creation camera from them came out. And after several months of debating whether or not I was gonna do this and take my channel up and say, oh, I can totally film on my own phone, I can't. I just can't do it. It's too hard, especially when I'm working two different jobs, that I decided to finally take the leap and buy a brand new camera. Everything will be linked in the description on my website if you want to see this stuff for yourself, so you can check it and grab it while the sale is still going. But let's get into the goodies. I got the Nikon Z30 from Nikon's website directly, and I splurged and got the 2-lens pack. So I'm going to open all of this for you to see from, I'm gonna unbox and do the thing. So I got the box with the Z30 in it. I got the creator accessory kit. This one comes with a microphone, a tripod, a Bluetooth remote, and the you know what, we're just gonna open it and we're gonna look. So I bought those, and then I went to Best Buy and bought a few extra things. I got myself a wrist secure strap because the guy there said that this one's not really reliable that comes with the camera, and I am the world's biggest klutz, so that felt necessary to have. Camera bag to prevent myself from breaking things more. An external hard drive just to make sure that I have enough space, because I have 30 plus videos that I've been writing and getting ready to post for you all since I've been gone for so long. Yeah, I wasn't just gone not doing anything. Like, I have so much content to film. I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes sitting behind this of other things to film and unbox for you. I've been working hard. So I got external hard drive, 2 memory discs just to be safe. And now we're gonna dive in and open everything. We are back in my makeshift kitchen studio to go over everything. So first, we're gonna take out the star of the show. This is the Nikon Z30. I got the 2 camera kit. I've already obviously gone through and checked some of it just to make sure everything was in here, but I put everything back in its packaging except for this strap, because I wanted to show you guys how it all comes if you decide that you want to get one of your own. So it comes with this Nikon strap that has the little adjustable bits on the side for you to secure it. I went and got a more secure strap, as I'll show you later, just because I am, as you've seen, so good at dropping everything on this channel, and I want to make sure that I don't drop a very expensive camera that I just paid for. Here she is, the absolute gorgeous camera. It is significantly lighter than you would think. It's much smaller. It literally fits in the palm of my hand with no issues. The screen comes out and it flips around so that you can actually film while watching yourself. Catherine showed me that in hers. You can close it this way so that you can see what's going on. Obsessed with that feature. The only thing that you have to remember with this and the lenses is that Nikon is backwards. It's not righty tighty lefty loosey. It's righty loosey lefty tighty, which is something that I'm not familiar with, but it has the red button, your little straps right here for everything, your hook for your microphone and whatnot, which you will see shortly. It's honestly beautiful, and I just can't wait to play with it. The only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is when you, obviously it doesn't come charged, because it's a terrible idea to mail batteries that are charged, but your battery comes in here with its little case on it. You put it in. The only way to charge this battery, unless you buy an external charging port, is by plugging your cord into the camera on this side and charging it in the actual camera. So I haven't charged any of it yet, but that kind of frustrates me because you don't want, like, I want to have a charged battery and I don't want to have to take the camera out each time to do it. However, Google and the gentleman that I talked to about the camera said that you can do continuous recording while this is plugged in. So that's still a benefit. I can leave it plugged in while I'm filming and not have anything to worry about. We got our first lens, which I know nothing about cameras. This is going to be a huge learning experience for me, and I'm very excited to take that on. The DX1650, it's a smaller lens. It extends pretty nicely and it's easy to work with. Clips right on and you can store it in the package with it. So I got this lens, and then I also got, this is the DX50 250. Now, when I was talking to them about this, they said that this one is really good for filming and just doing your everyday stuff, and this one is great for product shots. And considering that Hippie Witch makes things and we do a lot of product reviews, it's perfect for the vlogging and the video, but also taking shots of the things that we create so that we can post them on our website and sell them. So I went ahead and splurged for both. Can buy the kit with just this lens on it, but it seemed like a better deal for me to just go ahead and get everything instead of having to order it all separately. So this is the bag that I went with. It's a low pro bag. I got it from Best Buy. It has this like firm ridge on the bottom of it to help it stand up and have like a bumper there. It's got a side pocket here. It has the two adjustable straps, and this is the reason that we went with this one instead of a different bag, is because the straps can come off of this. It also has this back strap for you to attach it to any other backpack that you have, and it has a double zipper that opens the top of it. Biggest feature, aside from having a little pocket on the inside for like memory cards, is that this is all adjustable. So I absolutely don't like the feeling of this texture in here, but it lets you have a more customizable package experience. So I can move things around in here to make space for exactly what I want, to not have to worry about stacking or anything. And then you can fold these in to give it an extra like cushiony package. Adjustable strap, nice thick part here to keep it from slipping. It also swivels to make it a nicer experience, but boom, boom. And I can adjust that to take my bag anywhere that I go. I take my strap out first. This is the cuff strap. He recommended getting this because A, it's a wrist strap, and if I'm going to be using the tripod, I'm mostly going to want the support on my wrist, not on like my neck or anything. So if I'm using it, I'm going to want it on the left side because I feel like that's where my wrist is going to be most of the time. So I'm going to go ahead and boom, pull that tight, and then I can pop this right in here. And now I have the wrist that'll tighten on me so that I can take the camera. And if I drop it, it's not gonna fall because it's attached to me. But it's really easy for me to just pop it and get it off, but not easy enough where it'll fall off. Which is really exciting because I don't want to drop this. It was way too expensive for me to break it that easy. Now the guy that I talked to, Josh at Best Buy, shout out, he had the bigger straps and you can buy the other straps and just kind of switch them around. But now I can literally pop this off and pop it on the other side if I feel like going left-handed instead of right-handed, which is really nice. It's like an all-in-one tool, and these aren't going to come out like this. He said that these can sometimes slide on their own if this isn't tight enough, and I don't want to risk that. Not with this camera. So, oh, cool. So it kind of sits like a bracelet because it's magnetic. Oh, sweet. So it like stays completely out of the way. It took me too long to make that work, but that's kind of cool. So then I don't have to worry about taking it off. You can just attach it to the camera. Less likely to drop it if I don't remove it. That was a really good purchase. That was like 30 bucks, something like that. So not too shabby. And then they have a whole bunch of other products that you can get. I'll have to look into them more. And now for the fun part. I already opened the microphone because I wanted to check it and see what was in here. But it comes with a Rode mic. And this one is the freestanding Rode that you can have on the camera. It bounces around for shock resistant. You plug it right on into the camera. And it also has the wind muff to keep that safe. So this one would go right here. And you just tighten it. And then it would take the side and you'd plug it right in there. So now I have a microphone for when I'm filming, but I didn't even have to go out and get a separate kit. It was ready to go. You just loosen it, That one does work righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, which is lovely. Everything sits perfectly. I got more cords that'll go in there. Another quick start manual that I'm gonna put in here just to be safe. This one is the little tripod, and this actually fits right into the bottom of the camera. So you just screw that bad boy right on in, press this button, it'll angle this way so that I can hold it and be perfectly ready to film everything I'm doing. And on top of it, the handles open so you can set up a little tripod. So if you're just learning to start your channel or whatever content you want to film, I can literally have everything plugged right on in. If you're doing everything by yourself, I can have it all plugged right on in here and it will just sit perfectly ready to go. This is a Bluetooth remote to control your camera that will sit right in here. So I can have this set up and film and just be away and press the buttons to make it do what I need to, so I don't have to worry about crazy setups. It makes life way easier. I'm very excited about this. And the other fun thing about this is when you flip it over, there's a spot back here for you to put your memory cards. So you can always have an extra one with you. Which brings us to our next part. I bought two of these, one so I can have one in the camera, one so I can have in the back, and then these will be ready to film. This is the one that he said to get that has the 128 gigabytes, and it can hold up to just shy of 2 hours of footage, which is going to be important as I'm filming content. And that is me being incredibly excited about my new Nikon camera. There you have it. This is the new Nikon Z30 that I got. It's currently on sale. I have it linked. If anybody feels like checking out and starting on your own, you can get the entire kit that I have with the two lenses, the tripod, the remote, and the microphone. But I'm really excited that I'll be able to hold this, see myself, so I won't have to look this way anymore. I won't have to check my watch to see what's recording, and I won't have to worry about footage cutting out on me. I'll be able to just set it and forget it and film, and be able to spin the camera around as needed to film whatever I'm doing, focus in on things, and just really create, I'll turn this off, good content. I've been waiting so long to post all the passion projects I had while I was busy working and unable to film and get things posted consistently, so I'm really excited to get back to it. So if you want to see the quality upgrades in going from an iPhone camera to an actual camera, make sure to like, subscribe, and come back and see the videos I have ready for you guys. We have 20 different unboxing and walkthrough videos planned. I have so many things that I've just been collecting. I'm really excited that your friendly neighborhood Hippie Witches are back. I hope to see you around. Bye.